Hello friends, welcome to GIS. Today we are practicing study area mapping. So let's get started. At first, take your map save file and make it hollow. Then you have to change the layout from portrait to landscape. For this we need layout tool. You can get it by right clicking on the blank space above. Here I have already my layout tool, but I'm showing it how to get it. Okay, now go to ISO, then landscape and finish. Now adjust it. We have to highlight the area of study area. So go to symbology and categories. There you can find district. Here all district, but we don't need all district, so we will add only the one that is needed. Here I am taking down district, then just OK. Now you can see, you can change the color of the highlighted area. Now insert a new data frame, and after that we will again add our map save file. I am using two types of map save file. The one is outline and the other one is the detailed one. Now we have to narrow it down, so go to properties and definition query builder, and double click on district, single click equal, and go to get unique values, and go to type the district you want. Now we have here down district. We have to highlight the area of study area. So go to symbology, and there you can find Gaon Palika and Nagar Palika. You can see all the districts here, but we don't need all of them. We just need Lamai. So Lamai area is highlighted now. Repeat the same process. Now we will be showing only the Lamai area and highlighting the study area. Repeat the same process. We have here Lamai only. Now for categorizing, go to symbology, and in the same way, now we have to select ward number. The research site is in ward number 3, so we will be adding just the 3. And this will highlight the ward number 3 like this. And now insert the arrow. Same for other boxes. Likewise, we will be adding scale bar. You can choose any scale bar. You can also change the unit. Then now you can add legend, and for editing the legend, select it and right click, then go to convert to graphics and again ungroup twice. Remember, ungroup twice. And after adjusting, after finishing, by adjusting legend, select all and then right click, then select group. Now we are adding title. Now repeat the same process for others too. Here I have narrowed it down in 3 boxes, but you can also add another one showing only the site. For moving the map, you have to click on that hand sign. Then you can, after adjusting the map, you have to again go to the arrow. Repeat the same process. Add background color, right click on layer and go to properties. Here in background you can select any color. Also you can change the size of border like this. You can do same for others and fill background color. So the final look is like this. Then export map. And save it. That's all. Thank you.